Allegations have surfaced that a law signed by President William Ruto in mid-2024 quietly shifted custody of the public seal, a key symbol of state authority, from the Attorney General's office to that of the President's Chief of Staff. Critics are calling the move unconstitutional, warning that it contravenes Chapter 10 of the Constitution, which outlines national values and principles of governance, particularly transparency, accountability, and the rule of law.
The head of public service is the number one public servant in this country, and he has the seal of the president. He is the one who executes that which the president wants to be done.
A few moments later.
The public seal is actually under the custody of the Attorney General as per Article 9 of the Constitution.
The confusion deepens. Questions are now being raised about whether the executive used presidential orders issued in 2023 to quietly transfer the public seal's custody, sidestepping public consultation and parliamentary oversight. Rarieda Member of Parliament Otiende Amolo has dismissed reports suggesting that Parliament approved any law to facilitate the transfer of the public seal. Speaking during a press briefing, Amolo stated that no such legislation has been passed, terming the claims as inaccurate and misleading. The head of public service, Felix Koskei, seen as a close ally of President Ruto, now finds himself at the center of the storm. While the government praises him for championing reforms and digitizing procurement to curb graft, opposition leaders warn that centralizing power in the executive weakens the system of checks and balances.
Na kazi ya hiyo seal ni kuweka muhuri any agreement. Na mimi naunga mkono Mheshimiwa Mkunji kwa ile maneno umesema, enda bungeni, tunataka tujue hiyo seal imeweka rubber stamp mambo magani. Lakini mimi tayari nishaambiwa zile deals ambazo zimewekwa. Umeona nyumba yetu, heritage yetu ya Bomas of Kenya, unaijua? Sasa hivi wameshauzia Mtaki, amebomoa Bomas of Kenya yote, anajenga hoteli. Sasa hivi pita pale na ngata 30,000 acres of Masai Mara imechukuliwa, wameweka muhuri, mnajua ile ule mtu ambaye amechukua shamba.
As Kenyans seek clarity, legal experts are calling for transparency on the true whereabouts and legal custodian of one of the country's most powerful instruments of state authority. With conflicting statements from government officials and rising public concern, one question remains: if the public seal has indeed been quietly taken into the hands of the president's inner circle, what could be the real motivation? Should Kenyans be worried? And if a constitutional symbol as significant as the public seal can be transferred without public knowledge, what else may have been quietly moved or even stolen under President Ruto's watch? For now, the truth about the public seal remains under lock and key.